Welcome to my channel Gosia R Home Cooking. Today I'll be making healthy and delicious salad with carrot, apples and leeks. Perfect side dish for my dinner. And let's get started. Ingredients I need for this delicious salad. First I have to peel the vegetables for carrot salad. I have 3 carrots. I will peel apple. Now I will shred carrot. Carrot is done. Next I'll shred apple. Okay, our apple is done. Next step, leeks. Okay, all vegetables are cut. Last step, I will chop dill. And the last part, let's go assemble our salad. All my vegetables are cut. Now I'm adding sour cream. 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice. Salt. Black pepper, dill, about 1 tablespoon. Rest of the dill I'll use for decoration. And now fold all these ingredients. Delicious carrot, apples and leeks salad will be ready for dinner. Healthy and delicious salad is done. This is my proposition for dinner: delicious carrot salad, fried fish and mashed potato. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.